There are so many obstacles that the market has to go through that chances are there will be some pullbacks. Volatility will kick in. And I think as long as the economic data underpinning this market demonstrate that the economy is solid and strong. Remember, that's the nux of the tug of war. Those who are saying, no, we're seeing a slowdown. The ISM number today was very strong. It surprised to the upside. And we're going to go through that. If we can see that the economic underpinning is strong, I think buyers are going to come in on any weakness.
And a lot of, when we're talking about here, the challenges ahead, the headwinds, you think we're in for a little bit of a rough ride, Quincy, but then we're going to pull out of it and they're going to see a year-end rally.
Well, typically the post-October, November, December is probably for active fund managers who are struggling right now against passive investing. That is their window dressing. Hedge funds who are not up with the top hedge funds. That is where they go in and performance enhancing just takes over. Santa Claus rally.
So, Peter, let's get to you. When we talk about what's to come, a lot of the challenges that people will cite in autumn and going into winter have to do with politics and the midterm elections and this potential for leadership and control of the House of Representatives and the Senate to change. For you, that's not a concern. Why?
Well, if you really dig into the numbers and look back at history, it just doesn't seem to be statistically significant. So to hang your hat on rules of thumb like that, I just think it's very, very dangerous. You know, I wish it were that simple. I wish we could have natural laws that had these predictive powers. But as we're seeing, a lot of these natural laws just aren't natural. And, I was a physics major, so I always look for cause and effect and predictive powers. In a lot of these numbers and trends that we've looked at from the past history, they're good to think about, and it gets you in an analytical manner, but it doesn't necessarily help you get any clarity as to what the future is going to bring.
So what are you watching?
Well, I'm focusing on the fundamentals that a lot of people, I think, have taken their eye off the ball. Let's just talk about GDP growth, greater than 4%, unemployment under 4%. EPS outlook looks very, very strong. And, a little bit about active management. I'm an active manager, and I've been doing very, very well year to date picking individual stocks. And sometimes I think that's an art that gets lost in all this other news and noise, frankly, that we're focusing on right now.